What's up, you guys? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. In today's video, we are going to be doing a garage floor cleaning. I'm actually here with Billy. I got him behind me. We're about to clean up this garage floor. I got another job to do after this, but we went ahead and took out some of the furniture in here. You guys already know what to do with that. And now we're going to go ahead and just wash this garage floor. Apparently she's going to be having a Christmas party, so let's get it clean. What is up, you guys? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. In today's video, we're just going to be doing one job. However, on this day, we did do two. So if you guys haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell icon so that way you're notified whenever I post a new video. This was a job that we got off of a Facebook advertisement. So we're going to be doing a garage floor cleaning. If you guys are curious how I land jobs using Facebook advertisements, the first link in the comment section and the description will be a link to that. I'm actually going to link that to Billy's resource page. He's going to be doing a huge Christmas sale, so he's going to have big discounts on a bunch of his resources in there, as well as you guys can hop in local Dom from there as well. So within the local Dom course, I go through all of the different ways that I get jobs using Facebook advertisements. So if you guys are curious, like I said, check out the first link in the comment section description, as well as some of the resources that Billy has on his page as well. So as you guys know, we have a job minimum of $200. So when I spoke to this lady, she said, hey, I want you to come out and do a garage floor for me. I asked her if it was a standard 2-car garage, to which she responded yes, that it was. So I knew that this was going to be a $200 minimum job. Anytime that I'm doing garage floors, I know that they're going to have stuff in the garage. That's pretty much a given. I asked her if there was a lot of things in the garage, to which she responded there was a good amount, and I told her that we do charge an additional $50 to remove everything from the garage, as well as to put it back in the garage. This was a sight unseen, so I kind of took her word for it. It could have been more things. It wasn't too bad. There was like a couch, some tables, and a few other little pieces of furniture in there. However, whenever I told her that it was going to be a $200 for the job minimum, as well as an additional $50 to move out all the furniture, she responded that that price was going to be a little bit too high for her, to which I understand. It is a little bit expensive. However, I was doing another job on the day in a location that was fairly close to this one, so I figured, you know what, let me come down a little bit, see if I can just land this job, because it would be another nice little job to add to the day. So I went ahead and texted her over, hey, I can go ahead and waive my fee to move the furniture out, so I'll do $200. Does that work for you? To which she responded, yes, that is a better price. And I told her that we could get it done before Christmas Eve, because she also mentioned that she was going to be having a Christmas party. It's been pretty cold over here in Louisiana, so she said she wanted to have people in the garage. So I said, hey, look, if you can do $200, we'll do it before Christmas. I'll waive my fee to move the furniture, and all is well and good. She agreed to that, and we went ahead and got it knocked out for her. Now, one of the things that happens when I'm doing these garages, especially when I'm etching out the edges, I did get some overspray on the wall here. It's just kind of part of the territory. I was as careful as I could be, as well as she did have some paint spots in the middle of this floor. As you guys saw in the beginning, the floor was really dirty. You can really tell from the video that there was a huge before and after difference. However, whenever I was done with it, you really couldn't tell, because you can kind of see a rust stain there. There were some paint spots that I tried my best to get up. There's also a big oil stain in the middle of the garage floor, to which we did put some muriatic acid on. It did come up somewhat. However, she didn't tell me specifically that there was an oil stain. She never said anything about any oil stain removal. As you guys know, that would have been an upcharge. Did get it up somewhat. However, that oil stain has been there for forever. Sometimes you can't always get oil all the way out of concrete, just because the concrete absorbs it. If it's been there for a while, it's much harder to get out. So we did our absolute best with the oil stain to get it up as much as possible. However, it didn't come out perfect. So anyway, job came out good. She was relatively happy. She offered us gumbo before we left, so that's how I know that she was pretty happy with how everything went. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and turn it back over to myself for the word of the day. Okay, you guys, so we wrapped up the garage floor job. Now I am at the second job. We're about to do a driveway. If you guys want to see this one, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm probably going to do 2 separate videos with this. The word of the day is going to be garage floor. If you comment that, I will hashtag you a real one down below. My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed, and until next time, hustle hard and get that money, baby. Peace.